Dad, do it properly. You too, Mama. You both have really turned yoga into a joke.
Oh, come on. Aren't we trying? No, we are not as flexible as you.
This is what I am saying. Look at your age and look at our age. How can we do with this perfectly? A little bit of up and down doesn't matter, beta.
Mama, this is yoga, not some dance show where you can easily miss a step. If the method of doing the posture isn't perfect, how will the health be? Now do it properly. Mama, hold this and get in the car quickly.
Okay, go sit. I'll be right there. Here, take this.
All right, I'll adjust this one as well.
Come on, let's go! Come on, Dad, hurry up. I've already set it up. We're getting late.
What's wrong? Have some patience. We don't have to catch a flight. We're taking a car, right? Let him take his time to set everything.
Oh, let me check the tire pressure.
Dad! All of this has to be done now?
Now let me clean this as well.
Dad,
What happened?
all this has to be cleaned now?
So, I should not check all this before driving the car. Yesterday, your mom had taken out the car. All the settings have been changed. I will have to set them according to me.
Dad, if we get out of the city traffic and take the highway, we'll easily save an hour or two. And here you are trying to adjust everything. Just drive it like that, a little here and there is fine.
1 minute. What did you just say? What's the big deal if it's a little here and there?
Yes, it works.
Are you listening to this gentleman? That day when our yoga posture was getting a little here and there, then what was he telling us? Do you remember?
If the method of doing the posture isn't perfect, then how do you expect your health to be perfect?
Are you listening to this, son? When it comes to yoga, you need a perfect posture because it is a matter of health. And what about driving? Where there is a matter of life and death. Shouldn't the sitting posture be perfect over here?
Dad, you're mixing two completely different things. How can adjusting the seat a little become the difference between life and death?
But how can it not? If the seat is a little backwards. So, in an emergency, it might happen that my foot does not reach the brakes. And if the rear view mirror is not adjusted, one small mistake, I may not be here the next moment.
Please don't say such inauspicious things, that too right before a journey.
That is why the right way of sitting during driving is very important. Because it's a matter of your life.
How's everything, brother? All's good.
Hey Sam, how are you?
I had an off today, so I came out for a bike ride. Thought I would drop by to meet you all. But looks like you all are going to somewhere.
Alright, let's talk for 2 minutes.
But why were you having such serious talks about life?
This gentleman is the reason behind it.
Hello, Sam uncle.
Hello, little buddy. What happened? How did you manage to upset your dad?
Oh, nothing like that. I was just teaching him the importance of sitting properly while driving.
Yes, it's very important, my dear. Be it a car or bike.
Even on a bike?
Yes, absolutely. For controlling the bike properly, for rider's comfort, and to avoid injuries. It's very important to ride the bike while sitting correctly. Wait, I will show you. Look at this. Shoulders relaxed, elbows slightly bent and relaxed. Sitting position should be such that you can comfortably handle the bike. Hands positioned to easily use the levers and switches. And finally, feet placed comfortably on the brake pedal and gear lever, with thighs gently pressing against the tank. This is the correct way of sitting on the bike. Not only this facilitates the driving process, but also creates less tension in the joints.
Yes, otherwise you will be in so much of pain later on that even yoga will not be able to help you.
And I'm telling you this because I know it very well. Once you turn 18, you are going to insist your dad into buying you a bike. Then these tips will be very helpful for you.
Got it? If not from us, then at least listen to Sam uncle.
Hey, no, he's a very smart kid. Well, I must get going. My riding group must be awaiting for me.
Bye, uncle.
Okay, Sam.
If the class is over, can we leave now, Mr. Professor?
Absolutely, madam. I haven't delayed anything. Let's go. Passengers, please fasten the seatbelt. Now let's wait and have something to eat. And we will even get some rest.
Why, Dad? What's the need to stop? Also, we are not hungry as such, right, Mama? Yeah. And we should be there in 4 hours if we keep speeding this way. Better to relax there with all the time.
Son, there is one thing that we should never overlook on a long journey. And that is rest. Because driving without resting can cause fatigue. And you might fall asleep. And if you fall asleep, then you know it.
Right. I understand, Dad. Don't complete the sentence. Otherwise, like in the morning, Mom will interrupt you again. No worries. Stop at the right place.
Okay, son.